India is close to sealing an agreement with France for the joint development of a 125 kN thrust engine for the indigenous fifth-generation advanced medium combat aircraft, according to defense officials. The Defense Research Organization and Safran, a French engine maker, may be collaborating on the aforementioned transaction, which is likely to be finalized in the next 2 months. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program is an Indian effort to produce fifth-generation fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force and Navy, as well as sixth-generation specialty technology. The original concept featured a twin-engine stealth aircraft with an internal weapons bay and diverterless supersonic intake, which was proposed in 2009. According to reports, the final design is now complete, and the 25-ton aircraft would have an internal payload of 1,500 kilograms and an exterior payload of 5,500 kilograms, with 6,500 kilograms of internal fuel. The AMCA will be available in stealth and non-stealth versions, and will be produced in 2 phases, an AMCA Mk1 using an existing GE 414 engine, and an AMCA Mk2 with a more sophisticated, more powerful engine that will be collaboratively developed. Officials stated that once the agreement with France is finalized, development of the aircraft and engine will proceed in parallel to meet the deadlines. The aircraft will be manufactured and produced through a special purpose vehicle, which will also incorporate private sector. Safran and HAL collaborated on the Shakti engine, which powers the indigenous advanced light helicopter and its variants. India's AMCA will have the world's 5th-generation, technologically advanced aeroplane. After the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, the Chinese Chengdu J-20, and the Russian Sukhoi Su-57 are the only operating 5th-generation fighters as of December 2020. Please let us know what you think about AMCA, India's first 5th-generation fighter jet.